Very dark man, I get message for you. Person wey no know how you take make your money. Person wey no know who give you money. Want teach you how you want to spend that. The person they advise you. Can't look, oh, you understand? This person put a caption. 50,000 USD. You understand? 50,000 American dollar to send a young boy to study in China. Like they ask you question for money way you know how the money take come. Now you say I have make I read them. I have seen the claim circulating that very dark man allegedly invested uh 50,000 USD to send this young man to China for his education. First, congratulations to him. I genuinely wish it not be there he go. Now you say, but as someone who talk about international education, immigration, I have a question. As of today, what exactly that $50,000 covers? Now I ask you whether the $50,000 cover tuition, accommodation, living expenses, flight, visa, insurance, 4 years education, or is part of the money being invested into the young man's future beyond university? You know, see question, very dark man. I really ask this question, so they need answer from you. Personally, him go want make this boy go Germany, Netherlands, Ireland, UK, Sweden, Canada, Australia, Switzerland. Declare, man, I clear for that. I say no be say China na bad place to study. Yeah. Say China get excellent university, serious engineering, programming, AI, manufacturing, robotics. He say, but in get bigger question. What happened after graduation? What is the internship pathway? What is the graduate employment pathway? What is the long-term immigration pathway? What is the opportunity? Just dey talk, plenty talk. So make I fast forward, go the comment section. Universal Francis Jr. come answer. Sponsor one person to one of the countries you mentioned below. Case closed. Now, this guy go reply am. Tell am say the last person I sponsored sponsorship and say you guide person, say apply for visa is two different things. Because as a matter of fact, they pay you. All these people where you the screenshots this thing, their post say they go Australia, they go France, you don't do it free. Them pay you. You have a paid service for this thing. So no, they talk this things where you dey talk. They pay you. And remember, the first thing wey make me and you get problem, you this guy where they talk all this plenty talk. You are good in what you are doing, but you dey overdo sometimes. The first thing wey me and you take get problem. Now when you dey do this France workshop, where you take mention some, maybe they collect 300,000. You now want to you dey collect 50,000. Say this student no get the one wey pay 300,000 no get admission. I don't know whether you go still remember. If you check your DM, you go see why I reply. You tell you say, bro, are you telling me that all the students will enroll for your class, you give them admission? You know they talk about visa. All the students will enroll for your class, you give them admission. What they talk of visa. So I now told you, both you will collect 50,000 and they will collect 300,000. All of them are the same thing. So you say here and they get issue where your matter not too clear. You say you come out like an advocate, like who want clean the entire travel space system. Say don't give agent money. Don't give. When one still church member go start from ministry. Sure no. You understand? Who want to person church member now from ministry go start. So he go tell you not denomination, just only prayer. One do gather crowd. He go now say okay, mo go kuma dey pray on Sunday. You don't turn church. So now exactly what you do. Now, what you dey preach 3 years, 4 years ago, and what you dey do now the same thing. Not only you still come Nigeria, come register complaint. You come Nigeria, register complaint. Now, you no longer they preach DIY again. You no longer they preach do it yourself again. Now you they do the visa. So therefore, you be visa consultant, you be visa agent. You understand? And this thing where you they talk, when it comes to technology, bro, when it comes to technology, leave story where we they talk. There's nothing US they do. Where China, no fit do am. And lastly, if they post people where the visa work, what about people where they own no work? Are you telling me that for this year, all the people will apply admission with you get admission? That's one. And all the people who apply visa with you get visa. It will be shock to Nigeria to find out say if you be saying now 10% of people will get when apply for visa with you, get them. I know they talk say you dey try you dey try your own, but no dey castigate others. Now where my problem with you be that. I was saying last time one guy they drag you and say one woman pay whether na to 7,000 pounds or whatever. No just want to talk about that one because the matter no too. I don't just want to put mouth. You go sort out your issue. Sometimes bad business the day. Fine. You understand? But this question where they ask very dark man, Mr. Know It All, you dey wrong. So you when you know give very dark man money. I dey talk to you, man. You will not give very dark man money. You dey ask am, what is the money for? Like in the line now. The very dark man, I beg. See this guy, if you go respond to him, answer him. The answer. Man, I know they overdo so things at times. I know they overdo things. He don't say he want help the guy. Where in power reach, now he send and go. They mention Australia, they mention Canada. All those countries where you mentioned here, all those countries where you mentioned here, like Canada self the pass. All of them. When you say Canada head no correct now. Canada, their head no visa, just leave her. Even that Australia when you see so they shake. They give you, but you know what's not they talk. They shake. So I beg, you need to rest. You need to rest. So no be other side they say they sponsor people. I lie. You guide them or you help them apply for visa. You don't sponsor anybody. Now you pay their school fees. Or you don't know the meaning of sponsor. Where you sponsor them? Which area you sponsor them? You give them accommodation, you give them feeding. And they overdo attack for this. All right.